Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your MI phone is up to date and has enough free storage. This avoids sync conflicts. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile network so uploads won't stall. Now unlock the phone and open Settings, scroll to the Accounts or My Cloud entry. Tap it to view your cloud account. If you're not signed in, sign in with your My Account credentials. This initiates access to cloud storage options and syncing controls. Once inside My Cloud, you'll see how much space is used and what's available, which helps you decide what to sync. Make sure to enable specific sync toggles, photos, contacts, messages, so the right data flows to the cloud. You can toggle off items you don't want stored. Next, tap Manage Storage to inspect backups, saved files, and app data. This is where you can delete old backups or choose which app data to keep, ensuring efficient use of your cloud quota. Finally, open My Cloud Drive or the Files app to browse cloud content. You can preview, download, or restore files and backups directly to your device. Make sure to confirm any restore prompts so data writes to the correct local folders. After restoring, check that photos and contacts appear in their apps. If something goes wrong, try signing out and signing back in, clear the cloud app cache, and then retry sync. This resolves most authentication or sync stuck issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.